The 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible is a true classic that embodies the golden era of American muscle cars with its aggressive styling, powerful engine options, and open-top driving experience. As part of the first-generation Firebird lineup, it was designed to compete with the Ford Mustang, while offering a more refined and performance-oriented approach. Its sleek body lines, split front grille, and iconic Firebird emblem made it instantly recognizable on the road. The convertible version added an extra layer of excitement, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of top-down, cruising with raw muscle power under the hood. Performance was a key highlight of the 1968 Firebird, with multiple engine options catering to different levels of power enthusiasts. The base model came equipped with a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine producing 175 horsepower, while the V8 lineup started with a 350 cubic inch engine delivering up to 320 horsepower. For those seeking maximum performance, the legendary 400 cubic inch V8 was available, generating an impressive 335 horsepower, with a high-output version pushing it even further. A range of transmission choices, including a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, and 3-speed automatic, provided drivers with a dynamic driving experience tailored to their preferences. The Firebird's advanced suspension system and precise steering made it a well-balanced performer, ensuring both straight-line speed and cornering stability. The interior of the Firebird Convertible was designed for both comfort and sportiness. Bucket seats, a stylish dashboard, and a wood-grain steering wheel contributed to a premium feel. The driver-focused instrument cluster featured large gauges for speed, fuel, and engine performance, ensuring that all vital information was easily accessible. Optional upgrades included air conditioning, a center console, power windows, and a premium AM/FM radio. The manually operated convertible top was simple to use, and an optional power top made it even more convenient, with plenty of cabin space for a muscle car. The Firebird was a comfortable cruiser for both driver and passengers. The 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible remains a highly sought-after classic, with its blend of style, power, and open-air freedom making it a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts. Well-maintained examples with high performance engines command strong values in the market, reflecting the car's legendary status. Its enduring appeal is a testament to Pontiac's engineering excellence and bold design choices. For more exciting content on legendary muscle cars, rare classics, and performance vehicles, make sure to subscribe to the channel, join the community, and stay updated as we continue to explore the most iconic cars in automotive history, bringing you expert insights and in-depth reviews of the greatest machines ever built.